Hello everyone, this is Andrew with Runner, creator of the tablet tool belt. I'm going to do a quick demo video for the heavy duty belt assembly. So the heavy duty belt is for, obviously, if you're going to be out in the field extra hours or have a larger device, you want a little more comfort, a little more support. There is two layers to the belt. You have your inner cushion layer here, which is Velcro. So you'll just kind of put that Velcro on where, approximately right around your waist, and then you have the outer belt. And what you'll do with the outer belt is there is an adjustable part right here. So I like to adjust it, make the adjustment so that the hole that the needle goes in is the third hole. That way you have a little extra to put through that little safety part right here. Also know that on this side I've adjusted it so the little inner cushion is right on my hip. So you want to know where that is because that's where you're going to be putting the additional belt. So once you have that all put together, you just take it off here. So, and then you can see what I'm talking about is that additional cushion right here, and then this is the outer belt right here, right? And this is your security cord right here. So all those are there together, cushion, cord, belt, and then you'll take your hip pad like so, and you will put it through both of these. Past the Velcro, and what you want to do is get the little slit here right over that. So when you pull it tight again, it kind of looks like that, right on the side of the belt, right? So that's what it's supposed to look like. Again, let me do like there. You kind of see it's right in between the hip pad and the outer belt. And then once you know where it is, you're able to kind of get back, put it around your waist. Again, lock the Velcro, do the outer belt, should be right on the third button. You will clip your security cord to the tablet case, and then just lock it to your belt. Hands are free. Again, you can access the device, boom, just like that, just kind of move it around. You make sure you're pushing the button first, then lifting it, pushing it around. And then with the first couple times, just go slow when you're pulling this back in so you're not hitting it. You'll get comfortable, and really after a while, you won't even have to look. You'll just clip it on and off like that. But that's the heavy duty belt for the tablet tool belt. Thank you.